Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Ahrefs for your website analysis step by step clearly. To begin using Ahrefs for website analysis, first, navigate to the Ahrefs website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Choose a plan that fits your needs and complete the registration process. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. You will see an option to enter a domain in the search bar at the top of the page. Type the URL of the website you wish to analyze and hit enter. Ahrefs will generate an overview of the website's key metrics. Take note of the domain rating and backlinks sections for insights into overall authority. Scroll down to explore organic search traffic statistics. This section will provide information about keywords the website ranks for. Next, click on the Site Audit tool from the left-hand menu. Here, you can set up a new project for your website analysis. Enter your website details and select the options for crawling. Choose the needed settings to customize your analysis according to your preferences. After saving your project, initiate the crawl process. It may take some time, depending on the size of your website. Once the crawling is complete, return to your Site Audit dashboard. Review the health score and check for any critical issues flagged by Ahrefs. Next, dive into the Content Explorer tool from the sidebar. Enter keywords relevant to your niche to find popular content. Analyze the pieces of content that have garnered attention and backlinks. This will help you understand what works in your industry. Return to the main dashboard and click on the Keywords Explorer. Enter a keyword to see its search volume and difficulty level. Utilize this data to optimize your content strategy. Finally, compile your findings into a report to share with your team. This will aid in making informed decisions for your website's improvement. And that's how you deploy Ahrefs for comprehensive website analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.